Okay, Japan weather update. Today is August 14, 2025. Tama ba? Yan, August 14, 2025. And we are now in Osaka. And as you can see, maaraw na sa labas. Unlike for the past days na cloudy tapos medyo maulan. Ayan, so expect na mainit na din. Ayan, medyo nafe-feel ko na din. Kasi nung nasa Kyoto ako, maulan. So yung temperature is 25 degrees lang. Kaya hindi masyadong mainit. Ngayon is mainit na. So bring your portable fan if in case darating kayo for the next few days. Ayan, so current temperature is 30 degrees and yung highest maximum will be 34 degrees Celsius. Tas lowest is 27 degrees Celsius. Ayan, so we'll be here in Osaka for the next few days and then after dito, lilipat naman tayo sa Tokyo. Ayan. And by the way, I'm staying here in Appa Hotel, an Appa Hotel here in Osaka. So if ever you book your hotels on Klook or in Agoda, you can use my discount codes. Destinations Klook on Klook and then Agoda. For Agoda, that's Denver Agoda for your Agoda hotels. Ayan. So yun lang. See you sa next na weather update natin. So ayan. Ano kaya meaning ng mga triangle na yan? No? Nakikita ko lang sa mga windows din.